Hello friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel All-in-1K, and today we start a new series of Java programming language on your demand. So in this video we can see JDK Tools. So let's begin. But before going ahead, we see what is JDK. JDK means Java Development Toolkit. Which are JDK's tools? So Java compiler, Java interpreter, the Appletviewer, the JDK tool, the Javap disassembler, the Javadoc tool, and the Javach tool. So all the tools we can see in detail in this video. So stay with me and learn very easily. So friends, first of all we see what is JDK Tools. JDK means Java Development Toolkit. JDK is a software package from Sun Microsystem. Version 1.1 was released with major revisions to the original version 1.0. Among the changes and additions to JDK 1.0 were a new event model and the Java Foundation classes, which is JFC. JFC was available as a separate package. The latest version of JDK as of May 1999 is JDK 1.2. It is also known as Java TM second platform. The latest version of JFC is 1.2 is now part of JDK. JDK provides tools for users to integrate and execute applets and applications. The tools are discussed below. The first JDK tool is Javac compiler. Javac is the Java compiler and it converts Java source code into the bytecode. You can create a Java program using any text editor. The file you create should have the extension .java. Every file that you create source code can have a maximum of one public class definition. The source code is converted to bytecode by the Javac compiler. The Javac compiler converts the .java file that you create to a .class file which contains a bytecode. So here is a syntax: Javac filename.java. Then the next JDK tool is Java interpreter. Interpreter means execute program line by line. The Java interpreter is used to execute compile Java applications. The bytecode that is result of compilation is the interpreted, so it can be executed. Here is the syntax for Java interpreter: Java filename.class. That means class name. Then we see third JDK tool of Java, the Appletviewer. Applets are the Java programs that are embedded in web pages. You can run applets using a web browser. The Appletviewer lets you run applets without the overhead of running a web browser. You can test your applets using the Appletviewer. The following is the syntax of Appletviewer and URL of the .html file. Then we see JDB tool. JDB stands for Java Debugger. The debugging is the term used for identifying and fixing the bugs in the program. These mistakes could be syntactical or logical or runtime. You can use the Java debugging tool JDB to debug your Java program. The following is the syntax of JDB and filename.class. That means class name of the file. Then we see Javadoc tool. Javadoc tool is for using for Java commenting tool. Javadoc is a document generator that creates HTML pages documentation for the classes that you create. To use Javadoc, you have embed the statement between slash star star and star slash. That means it is a commenting tool, that's why we can use this. The Javadoc tool has been used by Sun Microsystem for creating Java documentation. The following is the syntax of Javadoc. Javadoc list of .java files. The file names are separated by the spaces, and the statements between comment entries are ignored by the compiler. Then we see another JDK tool, which is Javah tool. Javah tool creates header and sub files that let you extend your Java code with the C and C++ language. The syntax for Javah is Javah class file name, that means class name of the file. Then we see another JDK tool, which is Javap disassembler. Javap disassembler disassembling classes, list methods and class members. If you do not have the .java file but have the bytecode, you can retrieve the Java code using a disassembler. The Java disassembler Javap is used to recover the source code from the bytecode file. The syntax of the Java disassembler is Javap and list of .class files. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel All in 1K.